Presenting the 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, adjustable steering wheel, all-wheel drive, auto-off headlights, auxiliary PWR outlet, backup camera, brake assist, bucket seats and child safety locks. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.